Hey guys, what's going on? It's insane in the market. You have been waiting for the moment where we're back. It looks like we're back right now, guys. So welcome to the show. You can see I'm already going twice on the live stream this right now, starting today because the market is back. What you're looking at right now, it's real. This is the crypto market as it stands right now. Breaking news for Ethereum. Ethereum ETF, the odds have now shifted. We're now looking at a 75% chance of Ethereum's ETF getting approved. Now, what's the result of that? Well, let's find out what Ethereum looks like right now. This is Ethereum's chart. It's above 3,500. Quite impressive to think that just yesterday it was struggling to just break $50,000, but today it's up by a lot. So it's also funny because a couple of hours ago, which was this morning, the last discussion we had was about Ethereum, and one guy asked on the stream saying, "Hey, Gray, what do you think about Ethereum?" And I was like, "Look, the catalyst for Ethereum is the ETF, and when we get positive news on the ETF, it's going to strike up like what Bitcoin did with the Bitcoin ETF." And a couple of hours later, exactly what I said just happened. So to put you up to speed to what's going on, so this is Watcher.guru. They say Ethereum ETF approval odds increased to 75% from 25%, says Bloomberg. So this is the news. Spot Ethereum ETF approval odds have increased from 75% from 25%, according to Bloomberg ETF analysts. The analysts say that several spot Ethereum ETFs are currently awaiting approval by the SEC. Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seyffart and Eric Balcones previously gave the spot ETF for Ethereum 25% chance of approval, but now have upped their prediction to a 75% chance. In the post on X, formerly called Twitter, Eric shared that he and Seyffart received inside information that there is a chatter in the SEC that the regulator is changing their stance on ETFs. The two analysts are waiting filing updates to fine tune their predicted odds. However, now everyone who previously thought the Ethereum ETF would be denied is scrambling. Seyffart also added in a post that we should see a bunch of filings coming over the next day. So, guys, this is ETF mania once again, this time on Ethereum, where we see a lot of companies filing for their ETF. And you know what the market does? They pump because they love this. And the Bitcoin ETF and the Ethereum one is different because the Ethereum ETF is going to pump the altcoins too, because Ethereum is basically the EVM ecosystem, right? Where everything that's attached to it benefits from Ethereum's ETF. So I'm expecting now an altcoin bull run, and the market is confirming the bias right now, just looking at the prices themselves. So I will walk through Twitter a little bit to show you guys what the sentiment is like around this news. So if I just search simply here Ethereum, and this is what you find. Just in, Ethereum ETF now has a 75% chance of approval, rating by Bloomberg analysts. The same news. There we go. Everybody is talking about this. And then there is the ETF approval odds prediction market, and it was currently below 25% actually. But right now, the bet on Poly market has gone up close to 75%, and now it just dipped a little bit to a 50% chance. But that is also changing relatively quickly. CoinDesk, Hub and Gore, SEC, or I don't know what language that is, but that's also positive news for the Ethereum ETF. And this is, guys, the kickstart for the crypto altcoin bull market. Now, to show you some of the projects or some of the coins that we have been discussing on this channel, everything right now is going up, which is a very, 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 very good sign right now, including other coins like runes, right? A lot of people thought RSIC coin was dead, but look at it now. Today we're standing at 31%. Today alone, Dog, the rune coin Dog has now gone up 75% in the last about in the last since Wednesday, basically. So I'm gonna give you guys some more interesting news as well on Ondo. By the way, if you follow me on Twitter, you're probably seen this post. If you search Gray BTC, and if you look at my recent post right here, it clearly says, no, not this one. I posted something about Ondo. So the head of partnership at Ondo, Katie Wheeler, posted on LinkedIn saying that TVL across Ondo's finance yield-bearing products has now surpassed $420 million, making Ondo the largest tokenized US treasuries provider. Thank you to all our fantastic partners and clients. We are just getting started. Guys, this is bullish as it gets. If you're not on the finance, man, I don't even know what to tell you. And I don't have time to convince you. I see a lot of people attack me for it on Twitter. It's all good, man. Time will tell right now, but this is the chart and this is what things look like at the moment. So let's get back to Ethereum to talk about what is really the prediction for Ethereum. What's next? I have already longed Ethereum today based on this news, and I'm already up a couple of bucks. I put in I opened a 30 Ethereum position long, and I'm just looking at the indicators as well, like Nitrous Bull right now. Everything looks pretty much bullish, and I'm just following through. So you can see the Nitrous Bull indicator just went bull signal today. When we were analyzing this morning, it wasn't there. But right now, it's now bullish again. So if you like to trade with the Nitrous Bull, that's a call for you. Or if you want to copy that trade, that's also up to you. You can trade it. Ethereum, you can buy at spot, or you can use futures. Like on my position, I opened a futures position with 5x leverage. And I'm pretty confident I made quite good money on the Bitcoin ETF. And I think the Ethereum is going to be great. If you're looking for which platform to trade with, I have several ones that I use. Links are in the description below. I use Bybit. Link is in the description below. I use CoinW. Link is in the description below. I also use Binance. Link is in the description. Some of them might not work in your country, but one of them will surely work. So, use whatever works for you there. OKX as well. It's another platform that I use massively for trading. So that's Ethereum, the green candle of activation. I think $10,000 this time around is basically within reach with the Ethereum ETF, especially when it gets approved. I think from here, where we're sitting at right now, right? We could move from here to about $6,000. About $6,000, which is only 71% by the time the ETF gets confirmed. Some people are saying that it could get confirmed within 30 days. I mean, by the 31st of May. I don't know if that's true, but I think that could take us to 6K already. And then when it gets approved, we could see ourselves even all the way to about $10,000. So the $10,000 for Ethereum, I think it's coming because. And a lot of you are like, okay, what makes you think $10,000 or even $6,000? Okay, let me explain this to you. The ETF for Bitcoin helped Bitcoin to crash the first or a new all-time high. We broke through and then we went to $70,000 for the first time ever. The last all-time high for Ethereum was $5,000. It has happened already. So the ETF should surely take Ethereum above $5,000 and beyond, right? So that's my prediction. And then another piece of news here, the SEC asks exchanges to update 19B4 filings on an accelerated basis for spot Ethereum ETF, Coinbase has reported. So it seems like there is a lot of political stuff going on here. The Biden administration, they don't want to lose the votes of millennials and the young people. So they realize that betting against crypto is not a good move for them. So they have no any other choice than to embrace. So Biden was saying negative things, but the actions are now contrary to that, because I think somebody advised them like, yo, bro, Trump is winning all the votes because he's supporting the crypto revolution, and you're talking crap about it, all the young people are not going to vote for you, Biden. That's essentially what is happening. All right. I see James just became a member on the channel. I appreciate you for doing that. Thank you, guys. Everybody who is a member of the channel, it goes really, really a long way. Become a member if you want to support the channel. And before I go, I just want to let you guys know every day in our Telegram channel, which is free to join, we're doing Q&As. So if you have any crypto questions, make sure you join the Telegram group. Link is in the description below. Join the Telegram group and ask any questions every day at 4 p.m. UTC. I believe that's the time zone. Yeah, 4 p.m. UTC each and every day. You'll be able to get in and ask whatever questions you have. That is a free Telegram group. If you want to be in the group where I share all my alpha and my positions and things that I buy, then you got to join the alpha group at Crypto University. It's cryptouniversity.network. And you go to alpha group. This is the elite in crypto intelligence. It's a membership that you have to pay for to be in, but it pays to be there and you never miss out on anything. We do trading sessions in there, weekly Zoom calls, the alpha stream, day trading, signals, and also you get a free masterclass, the course, and you get access to me and other experts. So you guys have no excuses to stay poor on this bull run. It's time for us to succeed, guys. Okay, so my last prediction before I close. Ondo.finance. It's 94 cents right now, guys. When we break $1.06, we're going to $3 to $5. And especially with the Ethereum ETF being confirmed, we're going to see the narrative shifting now to people talk about things like reward assets, and a lot of institutional stuff is going to get attention. So, and Binance might list Ondo as well, or other exchanges might list Ondo, and that's going to be a game changer. So, starting today and the month of June is going to be an opportunity for making life-changing money, especially for those of you guys that are tuned in. You're not sleeping, you're paying attention to what's going on, you're watching every live stream. This is the year that you could really make life-changing money. All right? Pay attention to what's going on. Follow me on X. I put all the updates on there, guys, and subscribe to the channel. Become a member, join Crypto University, and I'll see you guys on the next video. If you've got any questions before I close, you may ask right now. Let's go. All right. Cool, guys. I'll see you on the next video. But shout out to everybody who joined. Peace.